Hey, if you've ever felt frustrated trying to buy Bitcoin, dealing with endless KYC checks, uploading IDs, waiting days for approval, or worrying about privacy, today's video is going to be a game changer. Because I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin directly with your bank account and routing number. No verification, no KYC, using a powerful tool called ZenChain AI. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to skip the headaches and start stacking Bitcoin faster, smarter, and safer. Let's be real. Traditional exchanges make buying Bitcoin way harder than it needs to be. They demand identity documents, they lock accounts for security reviews, they limit withdrawals, and worst of all, they track every move you make. For people who value privacy or just want speed, this is a nightmare. And if you've ever tried to buy coins not listed on big exchanges, you know it's almost impossible without jumping through hoops. That's where ZenChain AI comes in. This isn't just another trading app. It's a complete crypto dashboard that lets you follow smart money, the whales, and act instantly. Here's the secret. Instead of waiting for exchanges to approve you, ZenChain AI shows you exactly where whales are moving their money, which tokens they're buying, and how they're swapping in and out. You can copy their moves directly from your own wallet, using nothing more than your bank account and routing number to fund it. No KYC, no verification, just pure access. How it works? Connect your wallet. ZenChain AI walks you through setting up a simple wallet that links to your bank account. You don't need 10 different apps or VPNs. Track whale wallets in real time. The dashboard shows you what's being bought and sold across Ethereum, Solana, and other chains. Copy the contract and swap in. With one click, you can copy the contract address of the token whales are buying, paste it into your wallet, and swap instantly. 2 times and swap out. The system is designed around quick flips. You get in, double your money, and then play with house money. It's literally that simple. No waiting for exchange approvals, no ID uploads, no KYC roadblocks. And the results speak for themselves. Students using ZenChain AI have reported $19,000 in a single day, 771% gains on meme coins, consistent flips that add up to life-changing profits. Even Ricky Matega, the creator, showed how he turned $38,000 into over 6 figures just by following whale wallets. And the best part? He built the system so simple that even his 73-year-old mother could use it. Think about it. No more waiting days for exchanges to approve your account. No more worrying about your personal data being stored or leaked. No more missing out on early opportunities because you were stuck in KYC limbo. With ZenChain AI, you can buy Bitcoin directly, fund your wallet with your bank account and routing number, and start trading without verification. Privacy, speed, and control, all in your hands. So here's the deal. If you've been searching for a way to buy Bitcoin without KYC, or you want to grab coins before they hit the big exchanges, ZenChain AI is your unfair advantage. For less than the price of dinner and a movie, you get full access to the software, the training academy, live calls, and a community of traders who are already flipping profits daily. And yes, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Click the link below, get started with ZenChain AI today, and finally take control of your crypto journey. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto strategies, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on buying Bitcoin without KYC. I'll be hanging out in the comments to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, stay smart, stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next one.